Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and look at another huge day in the market. Super green, super green. We're getting close back to 30K yet again. So we're getting closer and closer to that 50K mark. Will we hit it? Most likely we will. I'm betting that we will hit 50K by the end of the year. So let's go over the portfolio today. Today is up 15%, up 3,900, and after hours 0.78% up in the green, up 230. For the week, we're up 22%. And from the lowest point to now, we are up $10,000 back, a bounce back of 10K. It's beautiful. Or 11K, actually, 11K. Beautiful. For the month, we are still down 14%. We were the highs at 44,000, so we're quite a bit away from that. 3 months, this is where we were at the highest point. Intraday, we were up to 44,000, but we closed at 41,000, and we're still about $11,000 away from all-time highs and the closing. For the 3 months, we're still up 30% with this bounce back, and for the year, we're up 52% only because we finally got rid of this baby for the year. We're still up quite a bit for all time. Doesn't really, I don't really care about all time right now. I care about the here and now. So let's go over the portfolio. Neo actually hit above $45. This is something I actually didn't want to happen. I really wanted to get Neo to stay below 45 bucks so this could actually trigger, and I would be forced to buy 100 shares at $45. But Neo is at 46, so I would like Neo to go down below 45, so it would trigger this option, and I would have to buy 100 shares of Neo at $45 and spend $4,500 for it. But it looks like it may not happen because this option expires next week on Friday. So 7 days. Tomorrow's the 12th, so 7 days from tomorrow. And I really wanted to get Neo at $45 or lower. It looks like the opportunity might just slip through my freaking fingers, man. It's alright. It's okay. But yeah, look at that. Neo up 11.4% today and 0.89% after hours. Looks like tomorrow might be another huge green day. It looks like this bounce back was really fast. Really fast. I'm still down on this position. Doesn't matter. My goal was to hit 500 shares, and I wanted Neo to stay below 40 bucks, stay even go to below 30. May not happen anymore, honestly, but never know if there's any more corrections to happen or if this is just a little bit of a bounce back and then it will continue to go to lower lows. That's actually the best scenario for me. I would love to see the markets just tumble next week and for a while, because I still believe that most things are overvalued. I would love to see Neo below 30 bucks. That would be an amazing price point. That would actually help me get to my goal of 500 shares really fast. Because imagine, because right now I'm paying basically 50% more than what I want to. If I would love to get Neo at 30 bucks, but it's at $46. That's more than 50% increase. So if you can get Neo at 30 bucks, you get like a few hundred shares. 100 shares would only be, what is it, $3,000 instead, well, all-time highs, which was at 70 bucks. So you're paying almost more than double, and that's not what you want to do. The goal is to get more shares for cheap. Get as many shares as possible for the least amount of money possible. And just look, Neo bouncing back, getting closer to 50 yet again. I'm gonna keep selling puts, and I'm gonna sell them probably closer. I would love to get Neo. Sheesh, I don't know. For next week, let's see. Yeah, next week you see at 185. I don't know. I think that's what I would do. I'll keep selling it at maybe 45 or less. It depends on how much it drops or increases. You see Afria. Afria is getting back to 20 bucks. Ooh, it was so close to hitting 20. I'm still up on a tremendous amount on Afria. I would love to get 500 shares on this one too. Shopify. It was getting close to getting to $900. What was the lowest point for this one? Yeah, it wasn't even close. It didn't break through 1,000. MP has earnings next week. I'm doing pretty well on MP. I would love to get to 100 shares, if not more. The goal was just to bring their share counts up on all these babies. Look at that freaking Jumia. I think Jumia was up to $30 or getting close to it. Oh yeah, it was almost $30. Wow. Now it's at $50 just like that. Wow. Look at how freaking fast things bounce back. Corsair Gaming, same thing. It was just getting closer. It was actually under $30. Wow. Up 2%. Tesla getting close. It was up to almost 700. It was at 700. Wow. Tesla still has quite a ways away to hit all-time highs. Dropbox still staying above 25. Did it get close to 26? What was the highest it's been? 2570? Yep, looks like 2570 was the highest point for this baby. But yeah, that's the portfolio for today. Another big bounce back into the markets. Look at that. We're still not even getting close to break even on this. This one we're actually in the green now finally. But yeah, that's how the portfolio is. And how is Bitcoin doing? 56,000? What's the highest it's ever been? What? Highest it's been is 58,000. So almost 60,000 for. It looks like it's making its way back up there. Oh. Oh yeah, it looks like it is. It might actually get to it. Maybe tomorrow. It might. Wow. Well, but yeah, that's a little update of the portfolio. Another huge green day. We're getting back. Will we get back to 40,000 soon? Maybe, maybe. Um, will I want it to get back to 40,000? Honestly, no. I would love to see the market just continue to trend downwards. I would love to see it trend downwards more. The lower it goes, the less riskier my positions get. But right now, the higher they go, the more risky it is. And remember, I'm no financial advisor, so do your due diligence. And let's get this money, guys. Let's get to that next level.